doing. And I thank Ismail Jafar, and I thank Brother Mahdi Creel, I thank Professor Yasin, and I thank Brother Ml Ansari from Pakistan. Thank you for attending, and let's see somehow if we can spread the message of unity. Inshallah, Allah is great. We can start in a small way, and may Allah take us through these trying times. Jazakallah.
Yeah, a touching concluding message. And I know it's going to be a very maybe hard request. I hope we would be able to take this very same message of Dr. Ansari to areas like Hammanskraal, Klapgat, Mabupani. After listening to who Prof. Ansari was, and his message that will go forward, this will definitely ignite the hearts of many people that are searching the beauty of Islam. And definitely our honorable friend, Brother Anver, we will work on this as well, inshallah. Okay, we're heading now for Maghrib, so I'm going to request our Prof. Jafar, retired Prof. Jafar, for a brief message of thank you, please. And thereafter, Honorable Maulana, would you please come also to the front? Maulana Sarfaraz from the Sunni Darul Uloom, please come to the front also, and we could have a dua from him as well. We just have a few minutes for Maghrib. I see plenty pages. I hope it's going to be a conclusion, inshallah.